In this video, we'll see how to associate the objects previously created to each one of the tasks defined in the diagram. In the reservation task, you have to associate the transaction of the same name, which will allow the user to enter a reservation that starts the process. To do this, select the task, and in the Web Object property, you must assign the reservation task, clicking on the three dots and selecting the transaction. Concept of relevant data. The relevant data allows for defining global variables to the business process. In other words, the data that these variables contain can be consulted or modified throughout the entire process. Now you have to associate a relevant data to the reservation task. This will allow you to manage the transfer of information among the tasks of the flow. In this case, the relevant data to generate is reservation code. In the dialog box where the transaction was associated, you'll see the data mapping section. In the relevant data column, click on the aggregate icon to associate the relevant data and then OK. As you may have noticed, the reservation code was filled in automatically. You didn't have to type it. This is automatically provided for only primary keys. That is, there is an automatic mapping between the relevant data and the primary key attribute. When the reservation transaction is executed, the relevant data, reservation code, will have been associated with the identifier of the reservation entered. After associating the transactions to continue defining the flow, you must define gateways. We'll see this in the next video.